Why does your scanner show the P0230 engine code? What does it mean? P0230 is a diagnostic ruble code for fuel pump primary circuit malfunction. It indicates a problem with the fuel pump's primary circuit. The code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an issue with the voltage or signal to the fuel pump. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Fuel pump relay, wiring, powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, mostly comes in Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge, Pontiac, Mazda, Acura, GMC, Toyota, Volvo, and Nissan Datsun. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.